Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. Last night, Federal Reserve announced regarding interest rate, inflation, and tapering. I will take point one by one. First of all, today is Diwali, so happy Diwali to everyone. So let's begin. Finally, Federal Reserve acknowledged that they will begin the process of tapering their monthly asset purchases this month. Starting November mid, they will reduce their monthly purchases of US debt by 10 billion each month and reduce their monthly purchase of MBS, which also known as mortgage backed securities, by 5 billion month from starting November. This would mean they will complete the tapering process in 8 months concluding in June 2022. Now, the main issue and main point is it is believed or it is understood that Fed will not raise any interest rate till they complete their tapering process. So now we can assume that Fed will not increase any interest rate at least till June 2022. One thing Fed chairman said in his statement that they were open to adjusting the monthly reduction if called for any market condition. It means that this is not compulsory 15 billion each month. They can reduce or increase according to the market condition, and they are open to adjust the pace of tapering. Fed chairman made it clear that they will or they intend to leave interest rate when they are until inflation move back to its 2% target. However, he also again insisted that this higher inflation is transitory due to pandemic, bottleneck, supply demand, difficulties due to lockdown which happened in the country. There are many analysts right now believe that US is in now stagflation. What is stagflation? Stagflation is when there is high inflation combined with high unemployment and stagnant growth. This definition is perfect for US as of now. So we might be in stagflation, and as usual, Fed might acknowledge this in upcoming months. So this is the Fed chairman and last night's press conference brief. There was nothing else to talk about or nothing significant which I need to cover right now. So let's move on. Currently, gold is trading 1775. I was expecting much more movement from last night, but it didn't move that much. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Currently, gold resistance stands at 1782. If market breaks 1782 and sustain above that level, then only gold will enter in positive zone. Above 1782, gold might hit up to 1790 and even $1,800 is also possible. Again, support at 1764. This is the support. If market breaks 1764 and sustain below that level, then expect 1755 and even 1750 is also possible. Currently, as you can see, gold trend is in weak zone. So trade accordingly. Do not go against the trend and do not try to outsmart the market I meant. Let's move on to silver. Currently, silver is trading at 23.56. It almost tested $23. If you have joined my last night streaming session, I have given the support of 22.94 and it bounced back from $23. If you still do not join my streaming, then you should do it. I usually live stream before US market open. Live stream on my other channel. Live stream channel link is in description. You can join that. Currently, silver is trading 23.56. It is about to close. It is about to test a positive zone. So let me give you the resistance support first. 2370 will act as resistance now. Silver need to sustain above that level in order to return to positive. If silver sustain above 2370, then only we will see some more fresh buying in silver up to $24 and $24.20. However, a very strong support stands at $23.15. If silver break 23.15 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect $23 and even $22.70 is also possible. Let's move on to crude oil now. That is crude oil. Crude oil is trading $79.30, and as you know, I have already concluded about crude oil in my streaming and yesterday as well, that it is in weak zone. At least in streaming I have already concluded you and given you levels that we are in weak zone, avoid going for buy. And as you can see, it has crashed badly. Currently it is trading 79.30. so let me give you the levels. $80.50 will act as resistance now. If market break $80.50 and sustain above that level, then only crude oil will enter in positive zone. Above 80.50, expect oil to test up to 81.50 and $83. 78.10 will act as support. Below 78.10, expect $77 and even $76 is also possible. If you are enjoying this video, please don't hesitate to click the like button and leave your comment in your comment section. I really read all your comments. And if you want to avail paid buy sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen, also available in description. Let's move on to euro. Euro finally recovered from almost 1562 to testing 1616 now. Interestingly, it has entered in positive zone. There is no doubt about that, but we need to be very careful because dollar index, that is dollar index, it is still trading in 94 zone. So first, let me give you the resistance support of euro, then we will talk further. 1570 will act as support today. If market break 1570, then only it will enter in weak zone. Below 1570, expect 1550 and even 1530 is also possible. 1625 will act as resistance today. Above 1625, expect 1650 and 1680 in euro. Currently, euro is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to pound, then we will see Bitcoin. This is pound. It almost tested 3700 and currently trading 3658. Interestingly, it is still trading in positive zone until unless it breaks our support. And what is the support today? Let's find out. 3630 will act as major support in pound. If market break 3630, then only it will enter in weak zone. Till then, it will remain in positive zone. However, a very strong resistance at 3705. If market break 3705 and sustain above that level, then expect 3750 and even 3800 is also possible. Currently, pound is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Now, many people have asked to include Bitcoin in my daily analysis. So here we have Bitcoin chart. These are the levels I have given in my live stream yesterday, so I need to change that. So it has entered in weak zone because resistance stands at $63,810. Support at $61,200. Trend is weak, so trade accordingly. And if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen. For regular data update, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. I usually update major data in Telegram and Twitter. Now I will see you in live stream in evening. Live stream channel link in the description. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And happy Diwali once again.